Hey y'all, Dennis Backyard Barbecue. We still got a couple more side dishes to take care of preparing. So today we're gonna do a baked sweet potato. So we're gonna clean them up. I already got the Weber kettle grill heating up, and we're gonna get them wrapped up in tin foil after we clean them up, and then it's gonna be cooking time. So let's get to it. All right, so got our sweet potatoes. Let's put them in the sink. Been getting a lot of questions lately about wash this or don't wash that. I always wash my potatoes. Mostly just knock the dirt off of them. So I got my little cleaning brush. This is my potato brush. Just give them a little scrub, knock the dirt off. And then we're gonna wrap them in tin foil. And then as soon as the grill gets hot, it'll be time to cook. All right, so I got my tin foil. Let's get this out of the way. Try to make this where y'all can see it. And we're just gonna roll it up in the tin foil. Fold it around, set it aside. Get the next piece. Just roll it up in there. I don't put any butter in it or anything like that. I do that when I'm through cooking it. All right, let's get the last one to roll it up. All right, so we got our 3 sweet potatoes all ready to get cooked up. So let's get the grill ready and we'll put them on. But we're gonna do high heat on the grill just like we do with corn on the cob. So let's get that grill cranked up and let's get these things going. See y'all in a minute. All right, we got our coals good and hot. Let's go ahead and dump them into our little coal baskets here. Like I said, we're just gonna turn the grill loose on its heat. I'm not going to try to control it. I'm just going to let it do what it wants to do. I'm going to leave all the vents full open. And as you can see, I've got my cool zone over here, my hot zone over here. Rotate the grill. And let's put these sweet potatoes on. We're going to put them this way. That way they should all cook fairly evenly. All right, I got all my vents wide open. Let's close her down and let her cook. We won't need to check on them for at least 30 minutes. So I'll see y'all in 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Our dome temperature is pegged out over 600 degrees, which is what I want. Now we're just going to be going for the squeeze test. And I knew it was going to take more than 30 minutes. These things aren't even giving it all yet. It's probably going to take an hour or two. And what we'll see is the tin foil will start to brown. And as it starts to brown, then we know that everything inside is getting good and hot. All right, so we're going to let them sit. I'll sit for another 30 minutes, and then we'll take a look at them. So we'll be back. All right, y'all. We're an hour in. And they are starting to soften up already. So that's good. Oh yeah, they're just about done. I think we're gonna give them about another 30 minutes. And then we're gonna be done. So that's gonna be an hour and a half. Now we did have this thing wound all the way up to, like I said before, 650 degrees. Dome temperature right over the coals. I did choke my air vents back just a little bit to cool it off. I got it down to about 550. All right, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna leave those for about 30 more minutes, and then I'm gonna butter me one up and see how we did. See y'all in a little bit. All right, we're an hour and 20 in, And I have made, because I can smell these things, I've made the executive decision these sweet potatoes are done and I want one to eat. So let's get these off the grill. Let them cool off for a few minutes. And then we're gonna see how they taste. If you like sweet potatoes, you already know how they're gonna taste. They're gonna taste good. But let's see. I'm gonna take everything in the house and we're gonna move inside. See you in a minute. Okay, so total cook time was about 1 hour and 20 minutes. So let's get this thing out of the tin foil. Man, that thing is steaming. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but that thing is steaming. Okay, so go ahead and take my knife. Oh yeah, this thing is done. Take my knife, go ahead and get that skin peeled. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Go ahead and open that up a little bit. Put a little bit of butter in there. Yep, y'all did just see me cut the butter with my fork. All right, let's stick that in there. I'm gonna let it cool down for just a second, and then we're gonna see how it tastes. Okay, so that was an 1 hour and 20 minute cook. Been letting it cool off for a little bit. Melt this butter down some. But this, I guarantee you, this potato is hot. Now, I don't generally put salt on a sweet potato. I just butter them up because they taste plenty good as it is. So let's see. I know it's hot though. Oh man. Man, that is good. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of that thing. It is still hot. All right, so that's the sweet potato. So if y'all getting ready for Independence Day or any kind of weekend barbecue, you can barbecue whatever meat, because we do that all the time. I've got all kind of recipes for meat. And now the other day we did a corn on the cob recipe, and now we got a sweet potato. You can use this same method for cooking just a baked potato. And then even with a baked potato, once I get done, the skin peels away just the same. And then you put salt, pepper, butter, sour cream, bacon bits, whatever you want to put on your baked potato. So I will put the recipe down in the description, and y'all use my Amazon link, and anything you purchase using that Amazon link, you do help the channel, and we appreciate it. And I hope y'all have a happy Independence Day for y'all that are in the United States, and for the rest of y'all, have a nice summer and whatever holidays y'all are going to be celebrating. But until next time I see y'all at the grill, y'all keep on grilling.